hard on me. I'm gonna really have to push it over. There we go. That wasn't terrible. Whew. Man, this feels so much lower to the ground than mine does. Wow, this thing throws you back, dude. Holy crap. Woo-wee! Wowza. Ooh, that pop. Man, I don't remember it being this fast. I'm on an 800 Tiger and this thing just blows that out of the water, dog. Wow. Feeling wise, sitting on it, it's definitely different from my Tiger, because the Tiger is kind of like everything's up high, you know, up here. This is like real down low, and it's just got a different feeling to it. I feel like I'm sitting really, I'm up high, but the bike's down low under me. It's just different. But I feel like I'm like up here and the bike's way down here. That's what I feel like, you know? I tested the brakes right there. I went pretty hard on the brakes. They're a little gushy. Like, they're not very sensitive when I pull on the handbrake, but it didn't, you know, lock up on me. He said that apparently if you squeeze on it real hard, the ABS is supposed to work wonders, and it's not supposed to skid or give you that little, you know, wobbly hand stuff with the handlebars. So, I mean, I kind of believe him. Ooh, that popple. Yeah. Oh yeah, super tight. Definite difference when you switch the modes from sport to off-road. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. This thing is wild, dude. Oh my gosh. Wow. When you get on the throttle though, a lot, it doesn't, you don't, it's not as responsive, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. On my Tiger, when I get on the throttle in 6th gear or 5th gear, I mean, the torque is there, and on this bike it's not. I guess that means it's got a lot of low end torque, but the high end is not there whatsoever. But that's okay, because it's definitely got the low end. Jeez. Wow. Thing is ridiculously fast. Holy crap, man. I know I keep saying that, but it is. Gosh. Trying to rev match while downshifting seems to be either difficult or I don't know. It doesn't seem like it should. That's ridiculously loud, man. So loud. Alright, so the clutch is super light. I mean, it's a nice clutch. I'm holding it at lights with just 2 fingers. Not super bad or anything. Not tough to pull in. This bike just feels small under you. Even though it's got a buttload of power, it's a small bike. It's got that small bike feel to it, which I like because I'm a smaller dude. I'm 5'7". I believe this bike weighs 490 pounds is what I'm told. It feels small. I mean, it's like a compact bike. It's not very long. I like it. Jeez. Oh, that pop, baby. Quick shift, I didn't even notice. Dang it, I didn't try it out. It does have quick shift though. Let's see if it has. Oh, it does. It has quick shift down too. Man, this thing is baller. Dang it, I wish I would have tried that out. Oh well. Well, that's nice. That's a weird spot for the thingamajig. Alright, let's see how I turn this thing off. There we go.